So today we are going to see what are Laplace equation, wave equation, and heat equation. Okay. So what is heat equation? Heat equation is also called diffusion. Diffusion equation. What is that? We know that one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional heat equations are there. Okay. So what is one dimensional? One dimensional heat equation is how to give it. Okay. U is function of x and t. Okay. And equation is given by heat equation is given by this way. 1 upon k. Okay. Two dimensional heat equation. Here u will be function of three variable x, y, and t. So what will the equation del 2u del x square plus del 2u del y square is equal to 1 upon k del u del t. Okay. Three dimensional three-dimensional heat equation, what will be that? U will be function of x, y, z, and t. And heat equation is given by this way. Del 2u del x square plus del 2u del y square plus del 2u del z square is equal to 1 upon k del u del t. Okay. Note in heat equation K is called diffusion constant. Okay. Some authors write C square instead of K in heat equation. Therefore, if I am writing C square in place of K, what will be one? This will be 1 upon C square. That will be non. That will be positive. Okay. So diffusion constant is positive number. Okay. Okay. What is Laplacian operator? What is Laplacian operator? Del 2 square is called the Laplacian operator, and is defined as, how it is defined? So del square, okay. So this is two-dimensional Laplace operator. Okay. So what will be three-dimensional Laplacian operator? Z will be there. This is three-dimensional. Okay. What is harmonic function? A function u x y is said to be harmonic function if first condition del 2 u del x square del 2 u del y square and del 2 u del x del y are continuous. Okay. And second one, del 2 u del x square plus del 2 u del y square is 0. So what is the meaning of this? Can you tell me? Second part we can convert like that. Del 2 u del x square plus del 2 u del y square, u is equal to 0. That means what? This part is Laplacian. Okay. So this is called, so second order partial derivative should be continuous and it satisfies Laplace. Laplacian should be 0. Okay. So actually, in fact, in this case, U is called two-dimensional harmonic function. two-dimensional harmonic function because xy it is function of x and y only. So what will be three-dimensional harmonic function? If function u x y z function of x y z is said to be three-dimensional harmonic function, harmonic function if if all the second order partial derivative of u are continuous. If you see that in two-dimensional harmonic function, all the second order derivatives are either del 2u del x square, del 2u del y square, del 2u del x del y. But once we move to three dimensions, there can be uh, partial derivatives so many del 2u del x square, del 2u del y square, del 2u del z square, del 2u del x del z, del 2u del x del y. So I'm writing a general statement that all these second derivative, partial derivatives are continuous. Okay. And second part, del 2u del x square plus del 2u del y square del 2u del z square is equal to 0. What does it mean? We can simply write it. It means you satisfy three-dimensional Laplacian. Okay. So this is the definition of three-dimensional harmonic function. What is what is Laplace? Laplace or we can say harmonic equation. What is Laplace equation or harmonic equation? Two-dimensional Laplace equation. Laplace equation is also called harmonic equation. So what is two-dimensional Laplace equation? Two-dimensional Laplace equation में क्या होगा? U okay. So U is a function of x and y and it satisfies this. So this is Laplace equation. Okay. It satisfies Laplacian. Laplacian becomes 0. U is a root of Laplacian operator. Okay. So what is this? So this is Laplace equation. Three-dimensional Laplace equation is what? Here U is a function of x, y, and z, and it satisfies del 2u del x square plus del 2u del y square. Okay. plus del 2u del z square is equal to 0. That means what? That is, it means it satisfies Laplacian operator, three-dimensional Laplacian operator. You satisfy three-dimensional Laplacian operator. It means it is a solution of three-dimensional Laplacian operator. It means it is a root. Okay, please note up to this. Okay, so wave equation. So wave equation. So one-dimensional wave equation is u is function of x and t, and wave equation is given by this way. In place of k, we can put c square. Okay, similar like, okay, two-dimensional wave equation is u is function of x, y, and t, and wave equation is given by this way. Okay, this way. Can you tell me? We can write left hand side Laplacian u is equal to 1 upon c square del 2u del t square. Because left hand side is Laplacian u. Okay. So three-dimensional wave equation is here. Here del to u del here Laplacian is two-dimensional. Okay. U is function of x, y, z, t, and wave equation is given by this way. So here what is this? Left hand side we can write. Here it is a three-dimensional Laplacian operator. Okay. Now we know about Laplacian operator. Similarly, we can do in heat equation. What was the heat equation? In two-dimensional heat equation, how we can write in terms of Laplacian? Del 2u 1 upon k del u del t we can write. And here we can also write del 2u 1 upon k del u del t. Okay, meaning is same. Okay, so this was the introduction of Laplace equation, wave equation, and heat equation, all those things.